Number 1. 1, 1, just one red apple for fun. Number 2. 2, 2, let's count objects, me and you. Number 3. 3, 3, count with me. 1, 2, 3. Number 4. 4, 4, let's count more. Number 5. 5, 5, keep the counting alive. Number 6. 6, 6, counting is a clever trick. Number 7. 7, 7, reaching up to heaven. Number 8. 8, 8, counting is really great. Number 9. 9, 9, everything is looking fine. Number 10. 10, 10, let's count them all again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you know your 1 to 10. Good job. See you soon.